Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about Leetcode question number 1315. Sum of nodes with even-valued grandparent. Given the root of a binary tree, return sum of all values of nodes with an even-valued grandparent. If there are no nodes with an even-valued grandparent, then return 0. A grandparent of node is the parent of its parent if it exists. Okay, now they are asking us to find that there is a grandparent and its value should be even such that their grandchild should be taken as a result. Okay, let me explain you. See here, the 6 is a grandparent. Take for example, the 6 is the grandparent. Okay, then what are the grandchild for the 6? These are the grandparents of this 6, right? Can I understand this? Yes. So I want to get this all sum. So what are the all sum? Why I am getting this all sum? Because the 6 is what? 6 is even. So if there is an even grandparent, then just take the sum of all grandchildren's value. So it will be 2 plus 7 plus 1 is equal to 10 and 10 plus 13, 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. Okay. Now again, let us take this as our grandparent. This is our grandparent. Now, if we take this 7 as a grandparent, what else value I can take? I can take 9, 1, 4, but 7 is what? Odd. So we cannot do anything. Okay. If I take this 8 as a grandparent, then what are the grandchild? I can say this 5 is only the grandchild for this 8. And wait, 8 is a even? Yes. So I should take it. So plus 5 is equal to 7, 18. So 18 is the output. Can you understand this? Yes. Now, this is what the question is asked about. Okay. Now, how to approach this problem? Okay. Let me take an example here. Okay. Now, observe this example. First of all, if I know, take for example, if I am here. Take for example, I am here. If I know its grandparent, if I know this 2's grandparent, then I can say whether its grandparent is even or not. If it is even, I want to return the value with what? Plus 2. Can you understand this? Yes. So, how my approach is? I want to use 3 parameters. What are they? First parameter is, I want to take the root value. There's a current child and I want a parent, then I want a grandparent. So, these 3 other parameters. And whether we are going to do a BFS or a DFS. We don't want to do a BFS. We want to do a DFS because grandparent, parent, and the child. So it is what? In the depth, right? So you are thinking what? Depth first cells. Okay? And then I just told you what the approach. I want to stand and at this 9 and I want to check whether its grandparent is whether an even number. If it is even number, I want to return this 9 as our answer, right? So it is what? It is like we just go to the down. Then we are going up. So it is what? Bottom up approach. So to do a bottom approach, we want to do what? A post order traversal, right? Okay, let me explain you. First time here. And this 6. Go down. Okay. Again, I want to check whether this 7 has any grandparent. No. Okay, no. I again go to this 2. Whether this 2 has any grandparent. Yes, it has grandparent and its grandparent value is what? 6. 6 is what? Even. So I want to take this 2 as my answer. Okay. Just wait. We want to again go right. We want to go again. So I'm doing a post order traversal. So initially we don't check like this. We check like this. Here it comes to again I want to return right. So we don't want to do like this. Instead of doing like this, I just go to depth. Then only I'm going to check. Okay. Go depth. It is Leetcode. No. Sorry. It is null. No. It is null. No. It is null. Yes. Yes, I reached it in null. So I return what? As 0. Because null value is not a child. Then how come it can have a grandparent? Right? So I don't return 0. Again, I can go here also. It also returns 0. Okay, fine. Now, I'm seeing this 9. Whether this 9's grandparent is even or not odd. So I'm seeing this 7. Okay? By using this parameter, we can check whether this grandparent is even or odd. Okay? I'm checking whether this 7 is even or odd. This 7 is what? Odd number. So I don't take this 9 as our answer. Yes. So I written what? What is my left subtree answer? It is 0. Right subtree also 0. Take myself. It is 0 only. I return 0. Yes. Okay. Now, I go to the right subtree. It also returns 0. Okay. Now, 2. What is the 2's grandparent? It is 6. 6 is even, right? 6 is even. So, I want to take this 2 in my answer, right? So, what is my left subtree's answer? It is 0. What is my right subtree's answer? It is also 0. 0 plus 0 plus I want to take myself. So, it is plus 2. So, it is what? 2. Yes. Then I want to go what? Go to right side. Okay. I'm going to right side. Whether it is a null? No. Go. It is a null? No. Go. It is null. So, it will return what? 0. Again, it goes right side. It is also null. It also returns 0. Now, what is the 1's grandparent? I can say 1's grandparent is 7. 7 is what? Odd. So, I cannot take this 1 right. So, I will return what? 0. Because my left and right is 0. And I don't want to take myself right. So, it will return what? 0. Okay. Now, I am going to what? Going to the right subtree. And here also it is null. Here also it's null. It goes here. It comes back. 0. 0. And what is the 4's grandparent? It is 7. So, it is also not a even, right? So, I pass what? 0. No. At this 7, I want to check whether 7's grandparent is even. Yes, 6 is even, right? 6 is even. Okay. Then I should send what? I should send what is my left subtree's answer? 0. What is my right subtree's answer? 0. Here, what is it? 7 is an answer, right? So 7. So for this 7, again I want to check whether this 7 has any grandparent. No. It don't even have grandparent. Then how can I check whether it is a even or odd? Okay. So this 7 is 0. And what is my left answer? Left subtree answer is 2. My right subtree answer is 7. So I want to add it. So 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. Send it. 9. That's it. Okay. I'm going to the right side. Then again left side. And here also null. Here also null. This both will be sending what? 0. And here also 0. Now, for this 1, I'm going to check whether grandparent is even. Yes. Grandparent is even. So what should I do? I should just return this 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0. So it is 1. Okay. Now I'm going to right subtree. Then I go here, it is null, so it will return 0. Then I'm going to right subtree. Now it is null and it is also null. So these two will be returning what? 0 only. Now 0 plus 0 and I want to check whether this 5's grandparent is even. Yes, 5's grandparent is even, right? Because this 8 is even, right? So I want to return what? 0 plus 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Okay, now for this 3, whether 3's grandparent is even. Yes, 6 is even. So 3 plus 0 plus what is the value? It is 5. Right subtree value is 5, left subtree value is 0, and this current value is 3. So 3 plus 0 plus 5, it is 8. I'm sending 8. Okay. Now, for this 8, whether it has any grandparent? No. So, what is the left value? It is 1. What is the right value? It is 8. And itself, it is 0. So, 0 plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So, for this 6, whether it has any grandparent? No. So, it returns what? 0 plus 9 is equal to 18. So 18 is my answer. I got it right. Can I understand this approach? Right. Now, what is the time of space something for this approach? I can say my time of will be O and because I'm traversing each and every node only one time. And what is my space I can say it is O but because the internal stack space only take the space, right? It is the only reason to take the space and it will be O the height of the binary. That's it. So let us see the code such that it will be more clear. See here, diff dfs, then root, then parent, then grandparent. Can you understand this? This root is a child. This parent is a child's parent. This grandparent is child's grandparent. Which means parent's parent. Yes, my father's father. Like that. Now, if not root, if it is null, what should I do? I just return 0. Else, I want to do what? Just keep a result is equal to 0. Result is equal to 0. And if grandparent mod 2 is equal to a 0. Equal to 0. It means what? If a grandparent is even, then I take that as a result. Okay, instead of doing this, we can also do that last also. Instead of doing here itself, we can also do like last in my approach. Like, see here, if my grandparent or 2 is equal to 0, which means it is even, then what should I return? I just return L plus R plus that root dot value. We can also write like this. This is what I told in this drawing explanation, right? If first I want to traverse the entire left subtree, then I want to traverse entire right subtree and store their answers. Now we want to check whether the current node's grandparent is even. If it is so, I want to add that root value, right? So that's why L plus R plus root dot value. Else, I want to just return L plus R. That's it. Okay. And I am calling this, and when calling this, I will return this. And also, I want to tell you the important note. See here, what I am done here, root.left. So root.left will be my child. Then what is the parent? It will be root.right. And what is my grandparent? It is the parent, right? Because if heads up, no, I am the son, and my father, then grandfather. If I become the father, then my father becomes what? Grandfather for that child, right? My child. That's why I am using what? Root.left, root.right, parent. I understand this such that in next generation, I will be the father and my father will be the grandfather, like that. And my son will be the child. That's like, that's the reason for this. In this also what? It is one level is what? One generation. Take like that. One level is what? One generation. Like this is the first level, right? So this is the first generation, then second generation, then third generation, then fourth generation, like that. Okay? Hope you understand this. Then at last I am just returning, and usually it kept the values of parent and grandparent as what? -1, which means what? I don't even have any parent and grandparent initially. Then at the end of the first level, I will be having a parent. At the end of the second level, I will be having both parent and grandparent. Then remaining levels will also have both parent and grandparent. I understand this. From beyond this level, beyond this red color box, I don't have any parent and I don't have any grandparent, right? And for this level, for this highlighted level, I don't have both parent and grandparent. Apart from this, all will have a parent and grandparent, right? Like that. Right. So this is what my approach, and let me submit it. It is submitted successfully. Thank you.
And the other.com.
Yes, so the name was